visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading ha. So, you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. Gusto ko rin pong ipaalam sa inyo na this is a timeless reading. So, kung kailan nyo po ito nakita, the message is meant to find you. So, bago po yan, I want you to know na pa-shoutout daw muna kay Miss Krista of Pasay City, Leia Magbanua of Dubai, and Julie Mondragon of Palawan. So hello po sa inyo. Gusto niyo mag-shoutout? Let me know sa comment section ang inyong name and location, no? So simulan na natin, tignan natin kung ano nangyayari sa paligid. The Ace of Wands, the Maiden of Swords, and the High Priestess. So, nakikita natin dito na alam mo na itong relationship might be very slow, pero papunta din ito sa isang better commitment, more of committed relationship, more of a relationship that is worth fighting for. Passionate, no? Hindi mo pa nararamdaman yung full potential ngayon. Pero mataas ang hope mo dito sa relationship na ito. Kasi nafe-feel mo din naman na may reciprocation si person, meron din siyang mga ginagawa to make you happy. May mga pagkakataon din dito with the Ace of Wands, probably you are already sharing intimate moments with your person, no? The High Priestess is clarified with the Hierodule and the Crown of Wands. Nakakakita tayo dito, chances are, parang itong relationship na ito was, began, no? Sa online, pwedeng sa social media account, nag-meet na kayo, hindi pa kayo nag-meet, it doesn't matter, parang ang system nito is kayong dalawa, not physically, no, having parang talagang acquaintance, no, it's more of online, nagsimula ito. With the Maiden of Swords, may mga pangako na kayo sa isa't isa or probably pinapangako mo sa sarili mo na pagbubutihin ko rin, no, itong performance ko dito, no, kay person para hindi na ako magpaulit-ulit ng pag-meet sa ibang tao, no, sasabihin kamusta ka na, anong favorite color mo, anong favorite movie, anong favorite pagkain. Nakikita naman natin dito yung passion ninyo sa isa't isa, no? With the Six of Cups and the Four of Cups. So for those of you who already met or talagang meron kayong somewhat physical na conversation, nagkikita, not frequent pero meron. I feel like siguro medyo lumayo si person, like literal, no? Hindi yung lumayo because ayaw kanya. Lumayo kasi kailangan, no? Lumayo. It could be by trabaho, it could also be by leisure or talagang matagal ng plano before pa kayo mag-meet. So ngayon parang nami-miss mo, no, itong si person, or kung nagpapaalam pa lang siya ngayon, parang gusto mo sanang sabihin na wag na please, no, kasi alam ko mamimiss kita. Alam ko hindi ko kaya, no. Meron ng meron ng investment talaga ng emotion dito. With the Four of Cups, clarified with the Three of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune. So nakikita natin dito, doon sa mga nakaalis na inaantay natin si person na makabalik, parang hindi mo rin ine-entertain yung idea. Although kahit pumasok siya sa isip mo, parang inaalis mo na baka makamit si person ng iba, no? Or makuha siya sa ng ibang tao, or it can be baka kasi kapag kung trabaho man ito, makaipon siya, mabaling yung kanyang attention sa iba, or mag-iba yung lifestyle niya, no? Mag-iba yung kanyang pananaw sa buhay. So with the Five of Pentacles, the Crown of Pentacles, and the Witch of Pentacles, siguro nangangamba tayo kasi ang nangyayari dito nung umalis siya, medyo nabawasan ang conversation, or parang feeling mo, no, medyo nababawasan itong conversation ninyo, nababawasan yung time. So, kaya siguro meron din tayong parang kahit ayaw nating i-entertain, medyo pumapasok sa isip natin, kahit tinataboy natin. Of course, we don't want to manifest that. With the Five of Pentacles, it's clarified with the Six of Pentacles and the Witch of Swords. So nakikita natin kasi dito, Six of Pentacles, parang ito yung sinasabi na nagbigay naman siya sa iyo ng pangako, no? And it felt like siguro pagkatiwalaan mo yun kasi totoo yung sinasabi ni person, pagkatiwalaan mo yon kasi nagmamadali din na si person makita ka uli or makita ka na. Kasi with the Six of Pentacles, kung ano man yung inoffer niya sa'yo, parang genuine at yun talaga yung gagawin niya. With the Seven of Cups and the Nine of Swords. Alam mo, hindi lang naman ikaw ang nai-stress sa separation ninyo or dito sa pagkakalayo ninyo, or nai-stress dahil magkalayo kayo talaga ng lugar, no, ng pinanganakan. The Seven of Cups, I think that si person medyo stressed dahil parang sabi niya, gusto ko na ring makasama ka. I think that there is a plan here with the Seven of Cups na wanting to, sabihin natin Seven of Cups, wanting to be with you, wanting to, kasi with the Seven of Cups here, parang nakakaisip na rin si person ng makipag-usap sa'yo, or dyan na tumira sa'yo, no, or malapit sa'yo. So meron na siyang mga ideas na ganon. With the Sun and the Nine of Cups, I feel like meron kayong promise to meet each other this summer, no? And I feel like medyo magkakaroon ito ng katuparan. The Nine of Swords, clarified with the Six of Swords, and the Two of Pentacles rather. So ang nakikita natin dito, parang sinasabi ni person, wag ka nang ma-stress, no? Kasi the more na nai-stress ka, nai-stress din ako kasi hindi ko alam kung paano papatunayan sa'yo. Panghawakan mo na lang yung pangako ko dahil gagawin ko naman siya. Ayan. So this is your reading. Bago natin i-check, no, ang zodiac sign ng person mo, or para kanino ito, I want you to know na again, kung gusto nyo pong magpa-shout out dito po sa comment section, lagay nyo yung name and location ninyo. Yun lang, para at least masabi ko kung yung name at kung taga saan kayo, no? At kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section din. Yeah, so kung meron kayong mga tanong, personal man yan, or tanong ng kapitbahay, tanong ng kaibigan, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Libra, Gemini, Pisces, Leo, Scorpio, Virgo, Capricorn, I'm seeing Aquarius, I am seeing Leo, yeah, Taurus is very dominant, Cancer is here, yeah, Scorpio, Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, yeah. So paulit-ulit lang siya dun. And Aries. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.